In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the golden treasure title here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up your inventory. If you select inventory and then find titles over here, you can just scroll down until you see treasure hunter actually on here. You'll see all the benefits, and if it says locked for you, what you need to go ahead and do is just select it, and it's going to tell you the exact requirements that you need to go ahead and complete. Now the main process though is just leveling up and farming a ton of different enemies, and it'll of course go ahead and unlock. The best way to do that is just find any island where there's a bunch of NPCs that you can go ahead and farm, and of course quests that go along with those NPCs. So if you're like a lower level, for example, I'd recommend going to maybe Jungle Island, Desert Island, or even Snow Island, because you can just go here and then of course find like the NPCs, for example, find the quest NPC next to them, boom, and then of course take all these guys out over and over and over again until of course you go ahead and unlock it. That being said, if you are a higher level, I would still go ahead and farm higher level NPCs just because you'll get other benefits from doing that as well. But that's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.